Hello everyone listening around the world. Just want to say that you're loved, you're appreciated. And this is the most important message that I could put out there, to the world. The thing that I feel is the most important is that we are all children of the Almighty Creator that dwells within us. The Father, the Mother, the source of life dwells in all of us. And it's an illusion that we're separate. And if we actually all realise that we were truly brothers and sisters, all of us, not just the families we're born into, then there would be a huge celebration all throughout the world. We'd be hugging each other, kissing each other, high-fiving each other, and we'd all be helping each other. There would be no corruption as such. So we're made in the image of the Almighty, so we must live accordingly to that. So we must be the example, we must be the light in the world. We must live a righteous life. We must take the necessary actions that create a better reality for ourselves and everyone around us. And, the greatest battle that we have is not external. It's not the external wars or the things that are happening. It's the battle within us. The war is within us. That is the greatest battle. And to overcome that, we have a secret weapon that's called the silent prayer, and that is to sit in silence and breathe. As easy as that. 10-15 minutes max in the morning when we wake up, before we do anything. Any other points during the day, especially before we go to bed. And then what happens is that the Almighty within us fills our body with light and redirects our thought patterns, and then you're able to automatically do the things that we're meant to do, which is of the greatest benefit. So it fills your body with melatonin. It's a higher spiritual practice that's so simple, but is unknown to many people, or they do it in excessive way. So you don't need to do the silent prayer or meditate excessively. It's just 10-15 minutes, and then naturally your day will progress in the right way, and you'll be able to overcome your faults. Because a lot of the faults that we have that no one talks about are evil, the things that it tells us about. So it tells us a false narrative, a false story of who we really are. So the key point of this video is to know that you are the children of the Almighty Creator. You hold great power within you. We are all brothers and sisters. There's no separation. And if we all realise that, then we could have true peace in the world and within ourselves. So you share this message with as many people as you can. Let them know that they are loved. Let them know they have great power within them. We are all equal. We all have that power within us. So it's just how, with great power comes great responsibility of the words that we say, of the actions that we take. So live a righteous way, and you'll see that you'll be blessed with the eternal peace that is more valuable than all the jewels, the gold, the possessions, the holidays. All the material things of the world don't fulfill you, but the things of the spirit, the internal things, will fulfill you and give you the peace that you desire. So thank you. May the Almighty give you this understanding, bless all of us, so that we can come together and destroy these barriers of separation and hostility towards one another. So thank you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you very much. Take care.
New light never seen before, new love so pure and raw is here, waking all of us. New light, new love, new life. So let's rise and be who we are. Let's fly like a shooting star, and let's love and allow our light to shine, shine, shine like the moon at night. And let's sing until the break of dawn. Let's dance until the early morn, and let's pray till the sun comes up. Let's sing, let's dance, and let's pray.